So I'm at JCat at Vertis North with Kate. She has convinced me to join the Halloween makeup contest. I have to do half of my face Halloween makeup and half glam. First, here's the final look. Keep in mind, I was completely unprepared, but keep watching to see how I got this look. The staff here at JCat have been amazing, and I asked to use some brushes, and a girl let me use all these brushes, and she even cleaned them for me. So, yes. So let's get started. I took off my makeup from earlier with their waterproof eye and lip makeup remover. This is their lipstick palette. It's Freedom Creator Mixed Lip Palette, and I'm gonna use the white. This right here is a good blue to use, where you would usually contour. Then I have this color, Blinkle Shimmery Shadow, Kissable Sapphire. I love random adventures with you. Remember when we did art? So Kate and I and my brother Rainiel, we were at Shangri-La. We met up with Kate.
What were we buying? We were buying paper.
No, I think you bought your yeah, we bought paper.
Jason.
Yeah, for the
Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, you were gonna make a, what's that called?
Piñata.
Piñata. Yeah.
You were gonna make it. I don't know how to fucking make it.
And then there was a random craft workshop for kids, and we were like, yo, let's join this. So we did, and we made dream catchers out of paper plates.
Watch me, Nene. Watch me. I remember stuff when I hear this.
Lip gloss in this bright royal blue. Indense, Nearly Naked, Mineral Compact Powder, ICP 104. Micro Slim Brow Pencil in SVP 104 Brown. It's so thin, bruh. Ooh. Yo, I'm loving this eyebrow pencil. What? Use the white lipstick with a primer. This one of these two.
The one
This
above.
one, yeah. Caramel, AC 107. Ooh, girl. Oops, this is the Holy Addiction. Love Struck bronzer. Got this in Crystal Sand. Yes, Hollow Queen.
Oh, she has a driver with her. Take a picture. They're laughing.
Just feeling it.